Okay, so now that we're on step 5, we're going to talk about submitting our project. So the first thing we need to do is publish our website. This is not the correct URL, so that's not the URL we want. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to publish. Let's change this to anyone on the web. This doesn't matter. Do you want it to show up in a search? It probably won't be found in a search anyway. Stuff like PBS will come up, but you can check it or not check it. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so the catch is, what do you name your website? What web address do you want? It doesn't really matter. No one really looks at that web address anyway. So name it anything you want, so long as you don't name it anything, weird or inappropriate. So see if you can keep it on topic. So if I did SHS 2017 okay, so something like that. It's on topic, it's nondescript. If you just type in migration project or movement project, someone will probably steal it eventually, but see if you can get creative, add some other qualifiers in there so that you can find yours and make sure you publish it. Okay, so now here's the catch. Once this is published, every single person is going to go through this process. Every person in the class individually is going to go through this. Every human living soul will do this process. So what we're going to do is we're going to view that published site. So let's see if I can get that. So I'm going to view the published site. So here it is. I've got the home page here, and I've got the page that I have worked on. So maybe I was the person working on the refugee project. So here it is. Okay. I come over here to the photo essay, your checklist here. Right here where it says submit your URL, open that up. Type in your last name. Type in your first name. And I ask you, first off, who your English teacher is. So maybe you've got Miss Hoff. What class period do you have English? Maybe that's third period. Okay, who's your geography teacher, your global studies teacher? Maybe you've got Miss Short. What class period? Go to next. Okay, this is the project homepage. Okay, turn in the homepage. Which one is it? This one. Okay, so see where it says home? This is the home page. It even says it right up there in the URL bar. So I'm going to copy that, Control C. I come over here. There we are. I come over here, Control V, paste. I go to the next. And then your photo essay, the one you worked on. So let's go back here. Let's say that if you're the person working on economic migrants, immigrants, select that URL. Go to your page, select that URL. If you're working on the internal migrants, do the same. If you're the one I've been adding content to is the refugee page, so I control copy that URL. I come back to the form. I paste and submit, okay? If you mess up along the way, you can always come back and change your responses, okay? So here's this. You're like, oh, I totally forgot. My English teacher's name is Miss Field, not Miss Hoff. You can switch that and go back, okay? If you mess up the URLs, delete the URL and paste the correct one. And with that, I suppose it's time to stop this screen.